me. I can't tell how old I was from each of this photo, but I can make some guesses that are in my teenage years and 20s. So I just wanted to say every photo has memories, and if you look at all this passport size photo, you can call it, right? It does tell the story of this particular part of my life and this particular period of my life. So calling all the coaches and trainers, I'm doing this workshop called Lens of Transformations, happening on 19th of October, which I will focus on the question, who am I? And I will help you to explore who you are as your service offering to your clients. Where can you go off launching from the coaching model called ontological coaching? So join me, and it's going to be a full day workshop from 10 to 5 p.m. and cost of investment is $300. And on top of that, you're also going to have this Solopreneur Mastery Club's membership for lifetime, where you'll be added into a group chat where we have a lot of solopreneurs that's helping each other to succeed. So if you are a solopreneur of a coach or a trainer, join me. So bye!